Hello, need an AD code for your foreign exchange transactions? Filings Corner provides expert AD code registration and compliance services, ensuring your business stays RBI and FEMA compliant while conducting seamless international transactions. Why is an AD code essential? An AD code is crucial for your business for several reasons. Mandatory for foreign transactions, required for imports, exports, and cross-border payments. Compliance with RBI and FEMA. Avoid penalties and legal issues in foreign exchange transactions. Smooth international payments enables hassle-free bank transactions for global trade. Simplified customs clearance, essential for shipping goods internationally. Regulatory reporting support, helps in tracking and reporting Forex transactions. Secure your AD code today and expand your global business. Step-by-step AD code registration process. Here's how Filings Corner handles the AD code registration process. 1. Eligibility assessment and consultation. We evaluate your business structure and Forex needs. 2. Document collection and verification. We help gather PAN, GSTIN, business proof, and bank details. 3. Application preparation. Our CAs and CSs handle RBI-compliant application drafting. 4. Submission to RBI or authorized bank. We file error-free applications for faster approval. 5. AD code approval and issuance. Receive your unique AD code for foreign transactions. 6. Compliance and reporting support. We assist with regulatory updates and annual filings. We simplify the process so you can focus on business growth. Documents required for AD code registration. Here's a list of documents required for AD code registration. PAN card, company, individual. Business incorporation certificate, for companies. Partnership deed, for partnership firms. GST registration certificate, if applicable. Import-export code, IEC, for importers, exporters. Business address proof, utility bill, rental agreement. Board resolution, for company authorization, bank account details and KYC documents. Don't worry, our experts ensure hassle-free documentation and submission. Timeline and cost of AD code registration. Processing time, typically 5 to 10 business days, depends on RBI bank approvals. Cost includes government fees, documentation, expert filing, and compliance checks. Multiple package options are available for startups, MSMEs, and large businesses. Post-approval compliance and support. Once your AD code is approved, we continue supporting your business with foreign exchange reporting. Maintain accurate Forex transaction records. Annual AD code filings. Ensure timely updates with RBI. Regulatory advisory. Stay informed on changing Forex laws. AD code modifications. Update business details or bank information when required. We provide end-to-end AD code management and compliance. Why choose Filings Corner? At Filings Corner we offer experienced CAs, CSs and Forex experts, experts in RBI and FEMA compliance, end-to-end process handling. From registration to ongoing compliance, we manage everything. Error-free documentation and filing. No rejections, no delays. Fast and transparent processing. Timely approvals with complete tracking. Affordable pricing. No hidden fees. Cost-effective solutions for all businesses. Call to action. Empowering close. Register your AD code today or visit filingscorner.com for hassle-free Forex compliance. Filings Corner, ensuring seamless international transactions and regulatory compliance for your business.